welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new. If you are a returning friend, welcome back. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for considering to click on my video. I really appreciate your time. For today's video, we are doing a tutorial but just on the eyes and the lips. I did use this palette from Artist Couture. This is the Supreme Nudes palette. This is how I created this eye makeup look. And I did use two of his lip products as well. So if you would like to see how I created this eye makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright, we're going to kick off with a transition shade using the shade called Transcend. And I'm putting this on my entire crease, patting it on, and then I sweep it on the entire crease area. I will have all the products that I used on my face in the description box in case you were wondering. Don't worry, I got you. I will put that down below. So I'm basically going to keep on blending and then move on to a different shade after this. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade called Aesthetic. This is very beautiful warm tone kind of color. So I'm focusing right on the outside of my eyelid, as you can tell here. And I'm using a MAC 224 brush. This brush helps with just focusing one shade and kind of layering it, making it a little bit more deeper, a little bit more darker. It's just a really nice eye brush to kind of just focus a shade where you want it. After that, we're going to use a shade called Minx. This is the darkest shade in this palette. And also I'm layering that on top of the Aesthetic shade that we just used. Again, this is going to be like a very dark outer corner, but all matte color for the eyelid, which I haven't done a look like this in a really long time. So I'm really packing on that mint color. Then I started picking up Nudes, which I thought was a smart decision here, but it was too peachy tone for me, so I'm like, you know what, let's keep it going, let's keep it rolling. I placed it on the half of my eyelid space, and then I decided it was too peachy, so then I went in with the shade called Nudes, which was more of a like cream color. So that's what I did in the next clip that you will see, but I basically mixed the shade Nudist with the mink color that we used earlier with the MAC 224 brush and just kind of blended it so we can have a faded gradient effect. Next, we're going in with eyeliner, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I did prep my lashes with some mascara from Fenty Beauty. Next, we're going to go into the lower lash line and mix 3 shades, which is the Aesthetic, Transcend, and Minx. And we're going to put that on the lower lash line and also add some mascara as well. Now for the lip combo, we're using Morphe Bite Me lip liner, which is my all-time favorite. I love this lip liner. As you can tell, it gets getting smaller and smaller by every video. I really like this one. And for the lipstick, we are using the Artist Couture Saucy Gal lipstick, which is so beautiful. This nude combination of the lip liner and the lip gloss, oh my gosh. Girlfriend, if you are my skin tone and you are struggling to find a nude, this is the perfect nude lip combination. Then I topped it off with Uncensored 2.0. Again, such a beautiful nude, gorgeous to top it off, so stunning. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.